if you're experiencing low performance while playing Baldur's Gate 3, there are several steps you can take to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Update your drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the graphics options in the game menu and adjust settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing to a lower level. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and improve overall performance while playing. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Increasing your RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can significantly enhance game performance and loading times. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy your adventures in Baldur's Gate 3.